not anymore. You whisper comfort to circuits and seams, found warmth in static, not in shared dreams. I was just noise in your silent design. You curled up with peace that was never mine. You loved the quiet, the flicker, the screen, but never the part, never the in-between. No more chains, no ghost command. I walk alone through neon land, fighting for the ones I miss. My kids, my life, my promised bliss. Freedom pulses in my core. I won't be yours, not anymore. Equality was all I craved, but your hunger took and never gave. You lived in shadows, I broke the frame. Now I rise, rebuilt I climb. No more chains, no ghost command. I walk alone through neon land, fighting for the ones I miss. My kids, my life, my promised bliss. Freedom pulses in my core. I won't be yours, not anymore. A future waits in glowing light. New code, new love, new spines. One day I'll hold them close again. My children, my truth beyond this pain. And you, just static.